I'm singing Three Little Birds karaoke version, but I could play my guitar, but I can't hold my thing without putting it somewhere, and it'll be all flat and ceiling. But anyway, I'm going to be singing Three Little Birds not karaoke, just with my voice, and I hope you like it. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, saying this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, saying this is my message to you.